guys, so the results for the bunny was Cottontail. So today we're going to be cutting up stress balls. Well, only one stress ball because that's the only one I have. I made it out of the slime that it's stuck to right now, and it's fluffy blue. So time to get that blue ooze out of there. Okay. So first, go put you guys right here. And here's the stress ball. Cut it open. Didn't cut. Popped afterwards. So I'm adding that to my slime. Getting this open since there's a little bit of slime in there. Whoa. I'm going to cut the balloon in half. These are strong balloons. BTW. So cool. I gotta cut it in half so I can get all the goo out there. And I just finished making the slime, but I didn't record it because I felt like I just needed some time off. Yeah, it's all over me. Here we go, so I ripped it open. Trying to get it a little more open, and that's what's inside of it. A purple balloon. All of this blue Tar Heel Victory ooze that I bought. Ooh, look at all that. So I just keep on adding it to my slime. Yeah. There's some more. That's so sticky. Some more. All over my fingers. And that's pretty much it. There's not really a lot of slime left. Okay. Now time to film all of this. It's really sticky. Whoa. It's not holographic, it's just really fluffy slime. And it's a really light blue color. To the Tide that I used for my activator. It's really pearlescent. In the sun, it's really fluffy and jiggly because we added some water. It's really nice. Toffee. It does poke. really nice. Really, really like it. And it's just fluffy blue slime. So, and if you guys know what I named it, it's Tar Heel Victory, since the Tar Heels, they are a college football team, and college football, baseball, sports team. That's really cool. And I called it Tar Heel Victory because that's their color, really light blue. So thank you guys for watching my fluffy slime review and my stress ball cutting. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!